Hey guys, so it's 12 o'clock right now and it's my birthday today. Oh my god, I have kilos of hair oil on my head and I would definitely wash them tomorrow. And you guys will get to see a quarantine birthday GRWM, and I have my birthday cake right in front of me. My mom made this really beautiful cake out of Oreo biscuits. So if we talk about last year, it was just amazing having you people by my side. I want to hug each one of you and I just love you all from the bottom of my heart for making everything so beautiful and showering immense love on everything that I did. So you people deserve the first and the sweetest piece of this birthday cake. Cheers! I don't know why नींद बिल्कुल भी नहीं आ रही है, and after eating the cake I got a lot of चटपटी चीज़ों की cravings, so I cooked this pasta for myself. And yeah, I'm not sticking to any diet today, so please, mind you all, please don't pick up on me for this. And I've learned some new green screen editing thing and I'll practice it today, and then I'll sleep. Good morning guys. So last night I slept around 1 and I woke up at 7 in the morning and it's already 7:30. I've already done my morning skincare and I was reading this newspaper, and it's so sad that everywhere the article is about increase in the cases, and it's really sad and I don't feel like celebrating my birthday this time. And anyways, I'm not actually celebrating, I'm just chilling with my family because this day is special for me. And I don't know why, but I'm feeling a lot of puffiness and bloating around my eyes, but this is really normal for me. On every special day, on every special occasion, either I get my periods or breakout on my skin, or either I get puffiness and bloating on my face, and that's just normal for me. So now I'll take shower and I'll wash my hair obviously, and then I'll do my birthday puja and I'll see you for the GRWM. So I've already taken shower and मैंने बाल भी थोड़ा सा स्ट्रेट किया है, नॉट अ परफेक्ट स्ट्रेट, क्योंकि मैंने मेरे बर्थडे लुक पे हाई पोनी बनाने का सोचा है, तो आई थिंक मैं बस पोनी को स्ट्रेट कर लूँगी, दैट्स अ जुगाड़. So yeah, let's begin the makeup part, and I haven't decided anything कि मैं कौन सा makeup look create करने जा रही हूँ, but let's do it. I really don't know how it'll turn out. Let's go. मैं बहुत ज़्यादा फाउंडेशन या बहुत हाई कवरेज मेकअप नहीं करने वाली, जस्ट अ नॉर्मल मेकअप. सो फाउंडेशन तो मैं बहुत कम यूज़ करूँगी, जस्ट अंडर माई आई, अराउंड माई लिप्स, अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ इट. सो इट्स स्क्रॉचिंग हीट, मे की गर्मी, बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी हो रही है, एंड मैं अपना मेकअप थोड़ा सा बेस सेट करूँगी ताकि वो मेकअप से पूरा पसीने से निकले ना, सॉरी मेकअप से निकले ना. Now I'll use this blush to feel like birthday girl. I have already done my eyebrows, and लॉकडाउन में आईब्रोज का जो रायता हो रहा है जेन्युइनली, मतलब मेरे तो नहीं, आई हैव ऑलरेडी वेरी बुशी आईब्रोज, लेकिन बहुत लोगों का तो बहुत ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है, बट फॉर मी माई अपर लिप्स इज़ अ सीरियस ट्रबल. Let me tell you guys, my birthday dress is a big blast and I'm very excited to wear that. वो पूरा इन sequin blazer dress है, and I think you all must have seen that in thumbnail picture में तो बहुत अच्छी तरीके से दिख रहा है. तो जो मेरा आई मेकअप होगा, that would revolve around maroon color, and I would also create a nude transition on top of it. So let's quickly finish off this eye makeup. We are completely done with the eye makeup. Now I'll apply this Master Chrome highlighter, which is my current obsession. I am so much in love with this. If you are looking forward to get a good highlighter, please go for this one. We are completely done with the eye makeup and the base, and lastly lipstick. And I'm quite confused. No, not this one. I think I should top up this lipstick with this maroon lipstick. We are completely done with the makeup, and I think this lip shade turned out so good. This not so planned makeup look turned out so good, so cool, and even I'm not believing it. So if we talk about the birthday dress, this is my birthday outfit. This is so cute, so shimmery, and just birthday perfect, and I'm very excited to wear this. Now let me tell you guys, I have designed this outfit all on my own in January. मैंने ये design कर लिया था, and so far excited of me, pat on my back. Now let's move on to the final clip.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can see.
So yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed this cute quarantine birthday vlog come JRWM, but nowhere to go. But I really wanted to wear this dress to go somewhere. So if you enjoyed the video, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and please wish me in the comment section and share this video, and please subscribe to this channel. I love you guys. Bye bye.